sous chef, and today we're so excited to have you join us for one of Hiro's favorite foods. Can you go to the camera and tell them what we are eating today?
We're eating Ichigo Daifuku.
Yes, he went to the wrong side of the camera, but yes, we are making Ichigo Daifuku. Japanese sweet, which is a strawberry wrapped in red bean paste and wrapped in mochi. It is delicious. But before we begin, I have a few quick rules of the road for how our kitchen runs, which includes one, expect a mess. It is so inevitable. I'm about to show you what we have going on back here already. 2, bring extra ingredients, and in this case, I have a 3-for rule. For every 3 strawberries you're supposed to have in the recipe, bring an extra one because they get hungry. Yeah. So for every 3 strawberries we had, only 1 made it through to the final end. So, yeah, have fun. I just wanted to mention our goal always for cooking with the kiddos, and that is just, of course, to have fun, like I just mentioned, and then also to get little hands-on food starting at a young age. It's pretty helpful and could help really kickstart lifelong healthy habits. All right, let's do it. Ingredients, go! Let's wash your hands. Okay, can we sing a song before we get it in the water? All right, scrub those hands together. All right, and wash your hands off. Berries to wash?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, we'll put them in here. We'll put them in there. Let's count out how many strawberries. We need 6. So we count in English or Japanese? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remember you watch out for where your fingers are and place the, let's place the strawberry on the board. Luckily with these, and we'll put it aside, right? And go to the next one. Let's put it in your mouth in the bowl. That part in the bowl. Let's try and hold it on the board because we don't want to accidentally cut our fingers, right? We can saw it on the board. Perfect. And these knives are amazing because they are cut proof, perfect for those little fingers. Hey, we have about 4 more to go. Good, put it in the bowl. Okay, so the next step really just involves taking sweet red bean paste and wrapping it around the strawberries, as you're about to see my sous chef execute marvelously. But I figured I would also just mention, you can get red bean paste at a Japanese grocery store. You could even make it at home. I think Walmart sells atsuki beans. Then you really just have to add salt, sugar, water. You can find the recipe out there on the internet pretty easily. All right, so Hiro, are you ready to make Ichigo Daifuku? Okay, so now we're going to take the red bean paste and put it in, make it into 6 balls. Do you think we could do that? All right, I'll do a few, you do a few, okay? Okay, so we have 6 strawberries and 6 little balls. So just try and wrap the red, oh, that's perfect. Have you done this before? You actually haven't, but you're doing a great job. Wrap it all around, all around. Don't put it in the water. The water's to wash your hands. Okay, before we do the next one, so here, you did pretty good. I'll do a quality check later. Wash your hands. Good, we're gonna dry your hands. Okay, and let's do it all over again.
Yeah, perfect. We'll do a quality check later. Wash your hands. Dry your hands. And do it all over again.
so we are going to make the mochi now. So we are gonna start with sweet rice flour. Hero just put in a little less. Oh, we're not at the water yet. Come on around here. We need to put a little bit more rice flour. And we're gonna put 3/4
I'll do it.
of a cup. You will? Okay, I'm gonna tell you when to stop. Okay, stop. All right, good job. All right, it was a little bit more. So now we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Do you think you can do that for me? I'm gonna take that. Having as few ingredients on the table as possible is super helpful in reducing distractions and a mess. So let's go ahead. Can you put 2 scoops in there? Or are you going to dump it in? Okay, let's put our spoon over the bowl. All right, so that, oh. All right, 1 and 2. All right, do me a favor, take the fork and mix, mix, mix. Maybe do you want to count to 5 while you...
1, 2, 3, 4.
That works. All right, so little by little, in theory, we're gonna put the water in. So mix, mix, mix again. You'll do it. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through, double check behind him. Obviously, the goal is to mix everything really good. Pour the water in slow. All right, come around this way. We gotta mix, mix, mix for a while. I don't think it's gonna taste good yet, Hero. Yeah, that was probably a good move. So now we are going to microwave this 3 times. Gonna put it in for 1 minute, stir it up, put it in for another minute, stir it up with a wet spatula both times, according to the recipe I found. And then lastly, put it in for 30 more seconds. So let's try that round out. Alright, this is after 1 minute, stirring with a wet spatula. Mix, mix, mix. It's starting to get a little bit clumpy, which is good. We want it to be really just thick and sticky by the time we're ready to mix this with the strawberries. Second 1 minute round, let's do it. All right, and the last time, 30 seconds. All right, so we are ready to put all of the different working pieces together. Hopefully we waited a few minutes. Hopefully our mochi's cooled down enough. If not, we'll just wait a little bit more. Hey, Hero, do you want to do the honors of sprinkling a little bit of, let's see, this is potato starch. I think you can use cornstarch too on our working space. You want to sprinkle this? You're a little distracted, huh? Maybe in this case that's for the best. I don't know how much flour our vacuum cleaner is going to take today. Don't tell my husband that. All right, so let's go ahead. Let us... Ooh, the bottom of this is hot. So you want to sit in your seat, Hero? Achie, 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 achie. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, so right off the bat, we realized that we are gonna need a hand washing and drying station as we go. Yeah, this is generally good practice to keep your hair pulled back. But anyway, so yes, as we go, we will have a hand washing station because it's probably good to get all of the old mochi off of your hand as you're working with a new mochi ball. Okay, and it's also gonna be important to dry your hands afterwards. Okay. Now we'll put the hand washing station on pause. Is it still hot?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, so let's separate this. Do you have any guesses for how many different mochi balls we're gonna make?
Mochi balls. Yeah.
What did you
say?
All right, our next part is so much mochi. Okay. Let's just Okay, next part, hold on a minute. This is the fun part because we're gonna intentionally make your hands a little dirty, okay? You're gonna go ahead, put a little bit of potato starch on the hands. Both hands, can you rub your hands together like this? Okay, because we don't really want to get the sticky rice stuck to our fingers. We're gonna take our rice, our mochi, whatever you want to call it, mochi ballish thing, and I'm just gonna try and pat it all around. Oh, this is gonna be a hot mess.
Hot mess, hot mess, hot mess.
Yeah. Okay, so this is my first attempt at making Ichigo Daifuku. Live and learn. All right, come back, you. Uh-oh.
Oh, what's this, Mom? Being scary.
Oh, you're being scary. Okay, that was attempt 1. Let's see attempt 2. Attempt 2. I'm gonna put a whole bunch more cornstarch on my hands. Hero's gonna put a whole bunch more cornstarch on the floor. Let's kind of pat it into a flat disc, which is probably what the instructions said anyways. And roll it all together. I think this is gonna come out so much better. Okay, yes, so much better. Keep a lot of cornstarch on your hands. Or potato starch. Whatever. Itadakimasu! That's right, you got it. We are done because all you needed to do is rinse, make, and repeat. So, itadakimasu, if this is your first time joining us, maybe you don't speak Japanese, that's just what we say before we eat. It means bon appetit.
Hello!
That's a rough translation. Hey, Hiro, what do you think of the Ichigo Daifuku?
Hello, baby!
I think that's a win. Two things I wanted to mention. One, if you have a real little eating this, okay, maybe pull the hair back. If you have really little ones eating this, definitely stay close by because mochi is really sticky and it could serve as a choking hazard.
Sticky!
Yeah, but that's also why it's fun too, right? So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, press subscribe below, leave some comments, and we hope to see you next time.